Electronic Terms Part 2. Diode, a two-terminal device that conducts in only one direction. DIP, abbreviation for Dual Inline Package. Direct coupling, where the output of an amplifier is connected directly to the input of another amplifier or to a load, also known as DC coupling because DC signals are not blocked. Direct current, a current that flows in only one direction. Discharge, a release of energy stored in either a battery or a capacitor. Discrete component, a package containing only a single component as opposed to an integrated circuit containing many components in a single package. Dry cell, a DC voltage generating chemical cell using a non-liquid electrolyte. Dual inline package, an integrated circuit package having two rows of connecting pins. Eddy current, an electric current induced within the body of a conductor when that conductor either moves through a non-uniform magnetic field or is in a region where there is a change in magnetic flux. Electric charge, an electric energy stored on the surface of a material, also known as a static charge. Electron, a subatomic particle of an atom with a negative charge that orbits the positively charged nucleus. Electron flow, an electrical current produced by the movement of free electrons toward a positive terminal. The direction of electron flow is opposite to that of current. Electric polarization, a displacement of bound charges in a dielectric when placed in an electric field. Electrolytic capacitor, a capacitor having an electrolyte between the two plates. A thin layer of oxide is deposited on only the positive plate. The oxide acts as the dielectric for the capacitor. Electrolytic capacitors are polarized and so must be connected in correct polarity to prevent breakdown. Electromagnet, a coil of wire usually wound on a soft iron or steel core. When current is passed through the coil, a magnetic field is generated. The core provides an easy path for the magnetic lines of force. This concentrates the field in the core. Emitter, the semiconductor region from which charge carriers are injected into the base of a bipolar junction transistor. Enhancement mode MOSFET, a field effect transistor in which there are no charge carriers in the channel when the gate source voltage is 0. Farad, the basic unit of capacitance. Ferrite, a powdered, compressed and sintered magnetic material having high resistivity. The high resistance makes eddy current losses low at high frequencies. Ferrite bead, a ferrite composition in the form of a bead. Running a wire through the bead increases the inductance of the wire. Ferrite core inductor, an inductor wound on a ferrite core. Ferrites, a compound composed of iron oxide, a metallic oxide, and ceramic. The metal oxides include zinc, nickel, cobalt, or iron. Fiber optics, a laser's light output carries information that is conveyed between 2 points by thin glass optical fibers. Field effect transistor, a voltage-controlled transistor in which the source to drain conduction is controlled by gate to source voltage. Filament, a thin thread of carbon or tungsten which produces heat or light with the passage of current. Filter, a network consisting of capacitors, resistors, and inductors used to pass a certain frequencies and block others. Flip-flop, a bistable multivibrator, a circuit which has two output states and is switched from one to the other by means of an external signal. Flux, a material used to remove oxide films from the surface of metals in preparation for soldering. Forward bias, a pin junction bias which allows current to flow through the junction. Forward bias decreases the resistance of the depletion layer. Frequency, a rate of recurrence of a periodic wave that is measured in hertz, that is known as cycle per second. Pole wave rectifier, a rectifier that makes use of the pole AC wave in both the positive and negative half cycles. Function generator, a signal generator that can produce sine, square, triangle, and sawtooth output waveforms. Fuse, a protective device in the current path that melts or breaks when current exceeds a predetermined maximum value. Generator, a device used to convert mechanical energy to electrical energy. Giga, a metric prefix for 1 billion. Ground, an intentional or accidental conducting path between an electrical system or circuit and the earth or some conducting body acting in place of the earth. A ground is often used as the common wiring point or reference in a circuit. Half-wave rectifier, a diode rectifier that converts AC to pulsating DC by eliminating either the negative or the positive alternation of its input AC cycle. Henry, the basic unit of inductance. Hertz, unit of frequency equal to 1 cycle per second. IC, the abbreviation for integrated circuit. IC voltage regulator, 3-terminal device used to hold the output voltage of a power supply constant over a wide range of load variations. IGFET, insulated gate field effect transistor, another name for a MOSFET. Impedance, the total opposition to the flow of current offered by a circuit. Impedance consists of the vector sum of resistance and reactance, measured in ohms. Incandescence, a state of material when heated to the point where it emits light. Inductor, a length of conductor used to introduce inductance into a circuit. The conductor is usually wound into a coil to concentrate the magnetic lines of force and maximize the inductance. While any conductor has inductance, in common usage the term inductor usually refers to a coil. Infrared, an electronic heat radiation whose frequencies are above the microwave frequency band and below read in the visible band. Input impedance, opposition to the flow of signal current at the input of a circuit or load. Insulated, when a non-conductor material is used to isolate conducting materials from one another. Insulating material, a material that will prevent the flow of current due to its chemical composition. Insulation resistance, a resistance of insulating material. The greater the insulation resistance, the better the insulation. Integrated circuit, also known as a chip, a small electrical device made of semiconductor material. Internal resistance, every source has some resistance in series with the output current. When current is drawn from the source, some power is lost due to the voltage drop across the internal resistance, usually called output impedance or output resistance. Inverting amplifier, an amplifier that has a 180 degrees phase shift from input to output. Inverting input, in an operational amplifier, the input that is marked with a minus sign, A signal applied at the inverting input will be given 180 degrees phase shift between input and output. Jack. A socket or connector into which a plug may be inserted. JFET. An abbreviation for junction field effect transistor. Joule. It is the unit of work and energy. Junction. A contact or connection between two or more wires or cables. The area where the P-type material and N-type material meet in a semiconductor. Junction diode. A semiconductor diode in which the rectifying characteristics occur at a junction between the N-type and P-type semiconductor materials. Kilo. A metric prefix for 1000. Kilovolt ampere. 1000 volts at 1 ampere. Kilowatt hour, 1000 watts for 1 hour. Kilowatt hour meter. A meter used by electric utility companies to measure the amount of electric power used by a customer. Kinetic energy. An energy associated with motion. Kirchhoff's current law. The sum of the currents flowing into a point in a circuit is equal to the sum of the currents flowing out of that same point. Kirchhoff's voltage law. The algebraic sum of the voltage drops in a closed path circuit is equal to the algebraic sum of the source voltages applied. Lead acid seal. A seal made up of lead plates immersed in a sulfuric acid electrolyte. An automobile battery usually consists of 6 lead acid cells. Leakage. A small undesirable flow of current through an insulator or dielectric. Light-emitting diode. A semiconductor diode that converts electric energy into electromagnetic radiation at a visible and near-infrared frequencies when its P-in junction is forward biased. Limiter. A circuit or device that prevents some portion of its input from reaching the output. A clapper. Linear. A relationship between input and output in which the output varies in direct proportion to the input. Linear scale. A scale in which the divisions are uniformly spaced. Line regulation. The ability of a voltage regulator to maintain a constant voltage when the regulator input voltage varies. Load. A source drives a load. Whatever component or piece of equipment is connected to a source and draws current from a source is a load on that source. Load current. A current drawn from a source by a load. Load impedance. A vector sum of reactance and resistance in a load. Load effect. A large load impedance will draw a small load current and so loading of the source is small. A small load impedance will draw a large load current from the source. Load regulation. The ability of a voltage regulator to maintain a constant output voltage under varying load currents. Load resistance. It is a resistance of a load. Logic. A science of dealing with the principle and application of gates, relays, and switches. Maxwell. A unit of magnetic flux. 1 Maxwell equals 1 magnetic line of force. Metal film resistor. A resistor in which a film of metal oxide or alloy is deposited on an insulating substrate. Metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. A field effect transistor in which the insulating layer between the gate electrode and the channel is a metal oxide layer, known as MOSFET. Metal oxide resistor. A metal film resistor in which an oxide of metal is deposited as a film into the substrate. Meter. Any electrical or electronic measuring device. In the metric system, it is the unit of length equal to 39.37 inches. Mica capacitor. A capacitor using mica as the dielectric. microphone, an electroacoustic transducer that converts sound energy into electric energy, modulation, a process by which an information signal is used to modify some characteristic of a higher frequency wave known as a carrier. MOSFET, an abbreviation for metal oxide field effect transistor, also known as an insulated gate field effect transistor. Multimeter, an electronic test equipment that can perform multiple tasks, typically one capable of measuring voltage, current, and resistance. More sophisticated modern digital multimeters also measure capacitance, inductance, current gain of transistors, and anything else that can be measured electronically. Multi-segment display, a device made of several light-emitting diodes arranged in a numeric or alphanumeric pattern. By lighting selected segments, numeric or alphabet characters can be displayed. Mutual inductance, an ability of one inductor's lines of force to link with another inductor. Network, a combination of interconnected components, circuits or systems. Neutral, a terminal point or object with balanced charges, neither positive or negative. Neutral atom, an atom in which the number of negative charges is equal to the number of positive charges. Neutral wire, the conductor of a polyphase circuit or a single-phase 3-wire circuit that is intended to have a ground potential. The potential difference between the neutral and each of the other conductors are approximately equal in magnitude and equally spaced in phase. Thank you and God bless.